Samsung Galaxy A56 versus Galaxy A57. Which one should you buy? Let's break it down. At first glance, these two phones look very similar. Both offer Samsung's clean design, vibrant AMOLED displays, and solid everyday performance. But the Galaxy A57 brings a few important upgrades that could make a big difference depending on your needs. The A57 features a newer processor, which means smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and better efficiency. If you like gaming or keeping lots of apps open, you'll definitely notice the improvement. Samsung has also improved the camera processing, so photos look sharper with better colors, especially in low light. Battery life remains excellent on both devices, easily lasting a full day, but the A57 squeezes out a little more endurance thanks to its more efficient chipset. Now, if you're on a budget, the Galaxy A56 is still a fantastic option and delivers great value for the money. But if the price difference isn't huge, the Galaxy A57 is the better long-term investment thanks to its improved performance and camera upgrades. So, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments.